Mukesh Ambani's Reliance is developing JioBook, a low-cost 4G-enabled laptops. After conquering the feature phone market with its 4G-enabled JioPhone, Reliance is developing JioBook, a low-cost 4G-enabled laptop that could be launched by the end of the year. The larger screen device is expected to run a version of Android OS, which could be dubbed as Jio OS, and will bundle Jio's suite of apps that can be accessed through a Jio 4G LTE connection. Delhi to have its own education board from this year. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Saturday announced that a set of Delhi government schools will be de-affiliated from the Central Board of Secondary Education and will be affiliated to the Delhi Board of School Education (DBSC) from the 2021-22 academic session. Government plans to scrap 6,000 compliances to boost biz climate. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday said that government plans to do away with more than 6,000 compliance requirements for businesses both at the central and state levels this year to facilitate ease of doing businesses in India. We are going to take it seriously. We have to get rid of the requirement to fill up umpteen forms. Your suggestions are crucial, Modi told industry leaders while addressing a webinar on the production-linked incentive scheme. Government not closing its mind towards experimenting with crypto, says Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. With the government planning to introduce a bill in Parliament to ban companies and individuals from dealing in cryptocurrencies, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said the government is not closing its mind towards experimenting in the cryptocurrency world and that a very calibrated approach will be taken. A lot of mixed messages are coming from across the world. The world is moving fast with technology and we cannot pretend that we don't want it. We are not closing our minds. We are certainly looking at ways in which experimentations can happen in the digital world, including cryptocurrency, she said. Elon Musk SpaceX Starship prototype explodes after landing. Elon Musk run SpaceX managed to land its next-generation heavy-lift rocket Starship for the first time, but it exploded minutes later on the launching pad at a US facility. Starship is SpaceX's ambitious spacecraft to take humans to Mars. The company has been working on prototypes to find the right design that will work for the transport.